Hello everyone, I am Vinay Singh and welcome to Power BI Learning Series. Today we will see how to connect with multiple files with same schema through a folder. So when I say schema, I mean the number of columns and the data type of the columns is same across all the files. Suppose you are working as an analyst for a company that generates revenue by selling its products in two countries only. Let's call them India and Brazil. So you get two different reports on a daily basis for analyzing the data. So before you start analyzing the data, you have to vertically stack them as shown in the figure on the right hand side. Therefore, you can use append functionality in Power Query to achieve your goal. Imagine your company grew over the years and is now selling the products in 50 countries. Now you don't want to append 50 times before you start analyzing the data. So what do you do in such a case? To solve such kind of a problem, we use a folder in which we can connect the files of same schema at once. So before I explain you how to import the files in Power BI using a folder, first I want you to go through the basic schema of the file and what are the different files in my folder. So here I have folder country sales, which contains four different files. So one file is for Brazil, other for India, UK and US. Okay, now I'll show you one of the files. So this is the schema of one of the files. There are 10 different columns like order date, item, units, unit price, MRP, tax and country. So if you see the column country, it has one value only, that is Brazil. And on the similar lines, the other three files have been designed. They contain only one value in column country. Now we will see how to import all these four files in Power Query or Power BI at once. So I am in Power Query editor. Now to import the file, I go to new source and I click on more. Now here I will get different options from which I can import the file. So I go to file and I click on folder and I click on connect. You may choose to browse to the folder location, or even you can, or maybe you can also copy paste the folder path. So here I'm going to my particular folder and I have chosen the folder and I click on OK. Now once this dialog box comes up, you can see there are four different files in the name column. You may choose to either combine and transform data, or you can choose transform data. Here I'm choosing transform data. Once import has been successful, this is the window that I get. Here I can see all the files that I have imported from the folder. Along with the name of the files, I also see the metadata, wherein I can see the type extension of the file or the date on which it was last accessed or last modified. Also the attributes and even the folder path. Here the column of interest is content. So in a way, I do not care about other columns. So I can delete them. One way to delete them is to click on individual column and remove it. And the other way would be I click on content column, I right click on it and I choose remove other columns. Now I click on this double arrow which indicates combine files. Here I now choose OK. And once this is successful, I will get my country sales column, or rather country sales table. So I click on country sales. Now if I carefully observe, all the columns are same as what I saw in Excel file when I showed you data for Brazil. If I go to extreme right and look at the column country, instead of Brazil, it has four different values. And these values relate to my four different files, which I showed you in the folder. So this is how you import a file, or rather multiple files at once having the same schema into Power Query. This is it for this video. See you soon.